Welcome to Easy Click Learning. Today, we're exploring one of Excel's smartest time-saving features, automatically filling a series of dates. Whether you're building a project timeline, tracking tasks, or setting up a schedule, this method can save you hours. Let's jump in. Start with a date. In cell A2, type your starting date, for example, January 1st, 2025. Check that the date aligns to the right side of the cell. That means Excel recognizes it as a valid date format. If it appears as text or left-aligned, right-click the cell. Choose Format Cells. Go to the Number tab. Select Date. And pick your preferred format. Now, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of that cell. You see a small black plus sign. That's the fill handle. Click and drag it down the column. And Excel will automatically fill in a continuous date series, 1 day per row. Want more control? After dragging, you'll notice a small Autofill Options button appear near the bottom corner. Click it to choose options like Fill Weekdays, Skips Weekends. Fill Months, Increments by Calendar Month. Fill Years, great for annual planning. You can also use Excel's Series Dialog Box for more control. First, select the cell. Go to the Home tab. Click Fill. Then select Series. Or, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, press Alt+H+Fis to open it instantly. In the pop-up window, select Columns or Rows depending on your layout. Date as the type. Set the step value to 1 for daily entries. Enter a stop value, like December 31st, 2025. Click OK, and just like that, your full date series is ready. Need weekly entries instead? Set the step value to 7, and your series will jump by 1 week at a time. Perfect for project check-ins or weekly summaries. For a dynamic date that always shows today's date, use this formula. This updates every time you open the file, great for dashboards or daily reports. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and share it. Have a favorite Excel trick or something you're stuck on? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for clear, practical Excel tips.